ninjas, I am here with PZ4. We found a message saying that H2 Bro is in a cave and he's gonna give us the upgraded ninja gadget.
Right there, V. There's a tunnel.
Oh.
Do you see anything? Oh my gosh. Hi, Puffer. Oh. That's scary. Okay.
All right, can you guys see at the end of the tunnel? I mean, not only there's light at the end of the tunnel, but there's also a balloon.
Let's crawl to the other side and pop it and see if there's a note in there.
I don't think a lot of people can fit in here. You have to be a really good spy ninja to actually fit in here.
Yep.
Oh shoot! Oh my god, what was that?
That was a hacker. We gotta get out of here.
Oh my god, there he is! Let's get out of here! Go! Get out of here!
He's coming!
Let's go, let's go. Okay. Oh my gosh, let's hide here, people.
Okay.
Oh, careful, be careful.
Okay.
So we're way below here. I think he's way up there. He's right there, he's right there.
Oh shoot.
Alright, let's duck.
Oh gosh.
Did he hear me?
I think he did. Oh gosh.
Oh no. You know, maybe it's the echoing of the mountain.
Okay.
Sometimes it sounds really far away, so maybe my sneeze actually distracted him because it sounded like it's over there.
Oh, good job. Good sneeze.
Whoa, spy ninjas. Did you guys see that? That hacker has a weapon on his hand. Is that the ninja gadget that we're supposed to get from HD Bro? How does he have it?
Looks like he's distracted right now. He's on the phone.
Let's get a little closer to see if that's actually the ninja gadget that we're supposed to have.
Oh shit.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm not a good spy ninja yet.
Crazy member. Yes, and I have the ninja gadget in my hands. I'm going to trade it off to you. Meet me at my location. That's 73 north and 46 east. Right, I shall meet you there in 5 minutes.
Okay, so I have a plan.
Okay.
I could dress up as a hacker and meet him at the meeting spot where he's meeting the other hacker to deliver the weapon, and I'll get the weapon.
Okay, cool. So just in case, as a backup, you know, if they're the other hacker that's actually supposed to get the weapon, I'll distract them if anything happens.
Yeah.
Okay.
But what if the other hacker's looking for the actual weapon? What are you gonna do?
I have an idea. I have this in my spy backpack, you guys.
Ooh.
All right, guys, a true spy ninja is always prepared for any occasion. What I'm gonna do is gonna do a quick DIY with this spray paint here. It's silver, so I'm gonna spray paint these and make it look like the ninja gadget the H2 Bro has upgraded.
You just keep all those in there?
Yeah, it's like the spy backpack, you know? It holds a ton of things, big things, small things. If you guys want one of these backpacks, link is in the description below. All right, guys, shake it up.
Whoa, they look just like it.
Yeah, look how shiny it looks. Whoa.
Whoa, that looks good.
Yeah, doesn't it? It looks just like it. It looks like it's metal.
Ooh.
I think we can definitely trick Project ZORGO hackers that these are their actual real ninja gadget.
Well, then that leaves me to acquire the ninja gadget from the other hacker, the British dude.
Yes.
But I look like this. Do you have anything in your spy ninja backpack that'll disguise me a little better? You have black hoodies, right?
Oh yeah, I always do. Remember, you guys, I was Billy Bob for a while, so I still have that black hoodie with me. PZ4, hold on. Your mask. Everybody's gonna know that it's you. Everybody knows that you have a broken mask.
Oh gosh.
All right, let me look on my spy ninja backpack here. This? Yeah.
Oh.
This might work. It's a scarf, so you can use that to cover the little broken mask that you have there.
Okay. I look.
You look good. You look like a hacker that's ready for, well...
We have to meet them at the meeting spot. Let's count our footsteps now.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. 73 steps north. All right, now we have to go east.
Okay.
Which is?
This way.
Okay, I trust you.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5, 3, 6.
All right.
Okay.
This seems like a spot. You see the hacker?
Wait. Okay. Give this video a big thumbs up for PC4. Hopefully she does not get caught.
Okay, here I go. There's the hacker man approaching me. Okay.
PZ member. Interesting scarf you got there, PZ member.
Thanks, it's an accessory. I like to accessorize.
I don't think it's official.
Oh.
Oh no, that's the hacker that's looking for the real ninja gadget. Okay guys, I'm gonna go and trick him and pretend the decoy is the real weapon. Hey, hacker! Stop, I see you, Project ZORGO. Stop it, I have the ninja gadget right here. Oh no, oh no. Ah! 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 Oh no! Okay. No! Yeah, give it to me! No! No! Give me the weapon back! Oh no! Oh no! No! Give it back to me! Give it back to me! Yes! Fell for my trick, you guys! Like I would lose that easily to a Project ZORGO hacker member. Please. Let's get back to PZ4. Hopefully she's not in trouble.
Here's the spear. Take good care of it as it took good care of me.
Okay. Bye-bye. Yes, watching. Okay, bye. Let's go. V! I got it! V! Oh! V, did it work? I got the weapon! Did it work? I got it! Oh, I got the real weapon! That's awesome! What we have to do now is take this gadget to that mountain. Good luck to me.
We're looking for a cave. That's where H2 Bro is. Keep an eye out for H2 Bro, wherever he is.
Are there any caves out here?
There's like a little cave in there.
Oh, I see it. That right there? That's a lot of steps. I don't know if I can make it be. What about over there?
That one, yeah, it's much larger. Definitely seems like a person can definitely fit in there. Should we head up there?
Yeah, let's go.
These hiking paths are very Tetris. It does take experienced hikers. I don't know if you've seen Lizzie and Carter's movie. Chet and I were in it. Oh shoot.
Keep tripping.
PZ4. She didn't work on her spy ninja skills.
Yeah. I'm tired, V.
Yeah, I know. I'm kind of tired too. It's hot out here. We're not very... Wait, do you hear that? Okay, keep an eye out, you guys.
Hey, over there. Hide.
Oh. Way up there, you guys. We don't know how many is actually out here. I mean, definitely we saw one. That's not the same one. At least two. Let's be quiet, man. Just... Shh. Over there.
What? Oh God, hide. Okay, so there's a hacker on this side and on the other side. And we're in the middle.
I know. We're completely exposed, you guys. Hackers are surrounding us right now. So we just gotta be...
Should we disguise ourselves in rocks?
In rocks?
Like PETA?
Oh my gosh. I don't know if I have that type of paint that PETA has with me.
Dang.
I only have spray paint.
That won't work, okay.
Where's the hacker?
Oh, I don't see him anymore.
The hacker on our right. I don't see him.
Okay, well, maybe that means we can go to the tunnels. It's free.
Okay.
Right, let's head over there.
Let's go, hurry. Oh jeez, I'm really tired.
Me too. Wait, what's that white bush thing?
What is that white bush thing?
I don't know. Should we approach that thing?
Wait.
It's moving.
Oh my gosh. Excuse me! Excuse me, I'm down here!
He's responding to you. Okay, we're almost there.
Okay.
He's right there.
All right, let's get closer.
These are huge rocks. They're bigger than you, V.
I know. Okay, I'll help you.
Thanks.
Are you really H2 Bro?
The one and only young lady.
Oh my gosh.
Some ugly lads in masks trapped me here. You have the same mask.
I am, but I'm not a bad guy. I promise.
She's in a transition mode right now. She's transitioning into a good person. So we're working on her right now.
I'm finding myself, you know? You feel? Wait, weren't you stuck in the tunnels? Like, why are you here?
Those fellows in the white masks brought me here.
Okay, well I'm gonna try and free you and help you out here.
No way it's going to work.
Wait, why not?
I'm stuck and I'm trapped here, and I'm nowhere near my favorite resource. Water!
We don't have water on us.
There was a fine young bloke a while ago with the same hat as you.
Was he really tall?
Yes.
Was he really pasty?
Yes.
I know who that is.
That's Chad. That's my husband.
Him and an equally pasty funky dude.
That must be Daniel, the funky dude.
Yeah, a little weird, right?
The two of them gave me some water.
Oh, he did.
Very nice.
Oh, yeah.
The two pasty fellows told me they were working on a way to bust myself out of here.
Oh, okay. So what's their way?
It involves something known as Operation X.
Oh, that's from the Spy Ninja Network, Operation X.
Your husband said they need 1 million players.
1 million players to free you? Okay, let me check. All right, you guys. You guys, we only have 500,000 Spy Ninjas on here. We need 1 million Spy Ninjas on here to free the H2 Pro. Make sure to download the Spy Ninja app and play Operation X right now. Link is in the description below.
But what about this? We got this gadget. Do you think you can upgrade it?
Yes,
Perhaps?
we came a very long way to bring this to you.
I can't upgrade your gadget without water. Now please leave me alone.
Where can we find you though? Are you gonna be here when you're free?
Trust me, I will come find you when the time is right, ladies.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, well, good luck. You got this.
Okay. All right, Spy Ninjas, we're counting on you. H2 Bros counting on you. Let's go.
Let's get out of
meet
here,
up with
Bee.
Chad or something.
Yeah, let's go. I think they're all the way down there.
Okay.
It's a big one. This is a big jump. Oh, nice.
Remember what we told you about yellow snow? Don't eat yellow snow. Don't drink yellow fluids either.
Ooh. Okay, well, let's keep going.
Okay.
PC4, come with me. That $10,000 is mine.
All right, PC4, you go and you run and hide. Okay. Good luck. I'll handle them. Don't trip and fall.
I'll try not to.
Okay. I think she will though. Oh no. Give it back to me. No! Yeah. Let's make our way down. Whoa! Oh my gosh!
I'm gonna stop you.
No, you're not! No! Whoa! Let's go, guys! Oh my gosh, you guys! There was already 2 hackers! Where's PC4? She's supposed to be down here! PC4! Look out!
Bee, careful!
Not so fast.
What are you doing? Why are there so many of them? I already fought so many!
That is property of Project ZORGO.
This belongs to the Spy Ninjas!
Yeah.
We'll see about that.
Get him, Bee.
Give it back to me! It belongs to the Spy Ninjas! What is going on?
Try again.
Oh my god!
You got me the first time, B, but not this one. Winner, Project ZORGO.
Bee? Bee! Wake up, Bee!